everyone. I've saved you the time of watching me cover this with white paint. I've already done that with my Dutch Boy paint mixed with Floetrol and water. There's little thingies in there. Get those out. I'm going to put some gloves on. I'm going to do a plastic wrap pour. And I got squeeze bottles now. So, should be a little easier than the droppers maybe. We'll see. Well, maybe not. So they're not perfect, but what is? Now for some yellow. This is Arteza Mid Yellow. This one's coming out better. Now for red, I've got two different shades of red in here. I have carmine red and I cannot remember the other one. Deep violet, which I will be using the droppers for. I just love this deep violet. And I put the iridescent medium in it, Liquitex iridescent medium. It's Liquitex deep violet too, I should add. It's so pretty. One of my favorite colors. Let's do a little bit more. And now for the silicone, which is in the blue. And I'm just using that same dropper because there's not much left in here. So this one has silicone. For the plastic wrap. Ooh, it's pretty. I am not going, normally I blow the sides down. I'm going to leave them. They will expand as it dries. The cells will get bigger as it dries. You can already see that they're expanding a little bit. See the sides. Did I get pretty sides? Yes. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.